Hello and welcome, dear viewers, to your favourite channel. We are always happy to have you with us and hope you enjoy sweet and delicious recipes with us. Today we have a quick and easy recipe that's sure to please, our refreshing orange cake full of flavour and super simple to make. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. Let's begin with the ingredients. We'll need 1 medium-sized orange, 3 eggs, vanilla and 1 cup of sugar. Put these ingredients in an electric mixer and blend them well until they're completely smooth. Next, we'll add half a cup of oil while stirring continuously to make sure everything is fully combined. Then, we'll add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and gradually add about 2 cups of flour, or as much as needed, until we achieve a smooth, consistent dough. Once the dough is ready, we'll cover it and let it rest for a little while. The next step is preparing the cake mold for baking. After the dough has rested, we'll pour it into the mold and place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll bake the cake for about 20 to 25 minutes, keeping a close eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn or dry out. Once the cake is done, we'll take it out of the oven and let it cool down before moving on to the next step, decorating it. Now let's make the cake sauce. In a small saucepan, we'll add 1 cup of fresh orange juice and a little sugar, according to taste. Then we'll mix in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to help give the sauce the right consistency. We'll heat the mixture on low heat, stirring continuously until the sauce thickens and becomes nice and creamy. Once the cake has cooled down, we'll pour the orange sauce over it, spreading it evenly. You can also decorate it with chocolate shavings, some orange zest, or even crushed nuts to give it a more luxurious touch. Now that we've made the cake, I'd like to share an important tip. Always pay attention to the baking time and temperature. Overbaking can cause the cake to dry out. Also, letting the dough rest before baking is crucial for getting a softer texture. And that's it. We've made a quick, easy and delicious dessert together. Give it a try and share your experience with us in the comments. If you have any ideas or suggestions like adding chocolate chips or nuts to the dough, don't hesitate to share them with us. Finally, thank you so much for your time and continuous support. We hope you enjoyed the recipe and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our new videos. Stay safe and see you in the next one.